Toilets are a very vital necessity for human beings. It is very important for people's health and well-being. One of the most important elements of a working toilet is a flush. It may seem insignificant, but a toilet with a low-pressure flush can be a problem or hassle to someone using it. The strong majority of Americans say that a clogged public restroom toilet would negatively impact their perception of a business, according to a recent survey commissioned by Sofidel. According to PrudentReviews.com, toilets usually lack flushing power because the waste pipe, siphon jet, or rim jets are partially clogged, or the water level in the tank or bowl is too low. Although less common, a broken fill valve or a clogged vent system may be causing a weak flushing toilet. After seeing this, a few questions came into mind, such as, how do you fix a low pressure flush? What causes a low pressure flush? Why can a flush have a low pressure? Who can fix a low pressure flush? From those questions, I could finally form a hypothesis, which is the flush pressure can be increased by adding pressure in the fluid system. Based on the hypothesis, it is predicted that if water still flows in a low pressure flush, then it could be fixed using fluid mechanics. After hours of research, I have finally formulated a new and improved toilet system. So how this product works is, first, when the flush handle is pushed, it pulls up on a chain connected to a flapper. The flapper lifts and releases the tank water down the flush valve into the bowl. Then, the water then goes through the trap and into the main drain. Once the tank is empty, the flapper closes, forming a seal in the tank until the next time the handle is pushed. The fill valve then turns on and brings water from the water supply into the tank. Water will flow through the base of the valve and through the refill tube to the overflow tube. As the water rises in the tank, the float rises. The float will rise and shut the valve off, stopping the water once it reached the fill line. The difference between the improved product and the original product is that the improved product has a shallow piping system, which makes the water move easier with less gravity needed. Pascal's Principle stated that in a fluid at rest in a closed container, a pressure change in one part is transmitted without loss to every portion of the fluid and to the walls of the container. The improved product has this principle because with the efficient piping, the pressure transmitted will not change and the pressure could also be increased. So, to conclude, from my research findings on the issue of low pressure flush, my first hypothesis is proven to be true because fluid mechanics can be used to improve the water pressure of a flush, and Pascal's Principle is also applied in this improved product, which is the pipes have the same size and same pressure throughout the system. The focus question for this project is how to transform the new world with the magic touch of physics. The big question for this term is, why is rationality an essential skill for a visionary leader? The outcomes for this project is able to conclude solution of a physical case based on concept in fluid mechanics. This project is related to the 6 Sustainable Development Goals, which is clean water and sanitation, because my objective is to provide more toilets with higher water pressure, hence, it could increase the access of clean water and sanitation among society. To answer the focus question, we can transform the new world with the magic touch of physics by observing various problems happening in daily life and try to find the solutions to it by implementing physics. So the relation of this project with the big question is, as a visionary leader, we must be able to think rationally and be able to find solutions utilizing physics to current and future problems in daily life.
Purchase this product at your nearest plumber. Contact 1-800 Flush for more. This product does not protect against diarrhea. If you experience any symptoms, please contact your doctor immediately for further consultations.